Welcome back to the second episode of News Bulletin of Mount Carmel Convent High School, Shastri Nagar, Chandrapur. Hi everyone, I am Dhairya Gandhi and I am thrilled to be co-anchoring with
me, Ashmit Mandal. We are excited to bring you the September month's happenings, events, celebrations from our school. So, let's roll on.
September was all about respect and we showed bright with it every day.
Starting off with a big cheer to our amazing teachers. We celebrated Teachers' Day on 4th September with lots of love, songs, dances and heartfelt thanks.
The auditorium was filled with beautiful decorations and our teachers received wonderful gift from all of us. It was a fantastic way to show our gratitude.
We also honored the spirit of respect in every class during assemblies and even in our games. It was awesome to see everyone treating each other kindly.
On September 15, 2025, the main stage lit up with the spirit of Hindi. Students from 4 to 7 joined in.
The program opened with a soulful prayer song, poems and short speeches setting the perfect vibe.
Students shared what Hindi means to them. An inspiring speech highlighted how Hindi unites us and shines in daily life.
Step right up for the seminars for students. Awesome, exciting and packed with learning. September 13, students of 7 to 9 got a special visit from the AI demonstration team of Homi Baba Foundation. They showed us robots, cool games and talked about how AI can help us in the future.
September 16, classes 6 to 10 joined a big talk on life skill for good mental health. Dr. Anjum Nazar Qureshi ma'am taught us how to stay happy, handle stress and to be kind to ourselves and our friends.
September 30, Orientation Day for Standard 9 was a big meetup for parents and students. They learned all about CBSE rules and how to do well in school this year.
We are excited to share the seminars for teachers, bright, bold and full of learning. September 15, MIKs hosted a special seminar for our pre-primary teachers. The resource person, Mr. Devendra Malik, focused on the motto, Speak English, Read English. It was a fun and interactive session.
Micro-teaching sessions were organized just for the pre-primary teachers. They practiced new teaching tricks and got helpful feedback to make classes super engaging.
September 8, a lively awareness program was held for Sathi, the auto drivers, about RTO traffic and transport rules. Our guest, Mrs. Durga Chawle, Assistant Inspector from the Motor Vehicle RTO Chandrapur, shared important safety tips to keep our roads safe for everyone.
Get ready for a burst of energy. Our tiny tots are making learning sparkle. Traffic Safety Week. September 8 to 13, pre-primary section kids began with a special assembly reciting catchy traffic rhymes. Teachers gave live demos of traffic signals, signs and safe walking tricks. A colorful bulletin board displayed safety tips that dazzled everyone. Outdoor games let the little ones practice traffic lights and spot signs all in a playful way.
Let's crank up the excitement of our tiny toads, are turning the school into a playground of wonder. Bagless day adventures. No bags, no books, just cheerful rhymes and phonics that make the sound sparkle. Drawing and coloring, time let imagination run wild. Indoor games build thinking and teamwork, while outdoor play boost motor skills and giggles. Every activity was crafted to keep the kids active, happy and eager to learn.
Now the students are buzzing with focus, busy in revision and gearing up for their upcoming exams. We used peer learning, group discussions, the jigsaw method and mind mapping to make studying exciting. For our little ones, we added storytelling, role-playing, rhymes and songs, flashcards and gamification, all turning revision into a joyful game. These creative approaches made learning interactive and sparked a love for study.
Term 1 examination were in full swing. starting September 18 and running till September 29. Students gather early, sharing quick revision movements before heading to their exam halls. The exam will be conducted smoothly and fairly under the watchful eyes of our dedicated staff. This period showcases the school commitment to academic discipline and the students' hardworking spirit. Feel the rush of September sports scene has been a non-stop blast of energy and excitement.
Champions in the making are under 14 and under 17 boys and girls shown bright at the district level. Badminton. Both age groups grabbed the second place trophy and have punch tickets to the divisional level. Football. Under 14 and under 17 boys teams earned spots in the divisional level championship. Boxing. Under 17 boys advanced to the divisional play, showcasing grit and skill.
Gold stand-up performances September 23, 2025 will be remembered for these dazzling wins. Cycling. Our cyclists clinched first prize at the district level, securing a spot to the divisional level. Dodgeball. The team stormed to the first prize in the district competition, qualifying to the divisional play.
Strategic victories. Chess prodigy Nihan Pohane 9th B nailed the district level and earned a first place berth at the state level chess championship.
Spotlight on Star. A huge applause to Mukund Sachin Tapase, class 10th B, whose dedication helped our cycling squad clinch that coveted district title. That's the sports buzz for September. Record-breaking wins, fierce competition, and unstoppable school spirit. Congratulations to all athletes, coaches, and supporters. Keep energy high. We are just getting started.